Go to Facebook on your mobile phone. Create a message to someone else, but don't send it. Scroll down in the message menu, click on Avatar. Then select an avatar. Make a screenshot from the Choose an Avatar. Edit the screenshot so that only the avatar is visible. Save the file. Bring in the image. Click on the image icon on the left side of the screen Install. Creative Space. Then click on the image and click on the right side of the screen, Edit Image. Click on the magic wand and click on all the white in the image. Then click Save. Select the image. Click on the right side of the screen, Outline. The settings are 2. Then click Save. Click on the shape icon and make a circle. Make it smaller and position the circle just slightly over the outline. Select the outline and the circle, then click on the left side, Combine and Unite. The circle is now included in the outline. Make another circle. Make the circle smaller than the first circle. Bring it to the circle you just make in the outline. Adjust it with the arrow left or right key. When the position is good, then select the circle and the all-in and click on the right menu, Combine and Subtract at Overlap. We save the image as a SVG file. Click on the image. Click on the right button of the mouse. Click on Export as SVG. Save the file. Later on, we have to print the image in the same dimensions as the acrylic. Click on the left side on the text icon. Type in a name. Choose on the right side a font. When you use a font where the letters are linked together, make sure you select the name and then click on Weld in the menu on the right. This makes a solid name. Make the text large enough that it looks nice on the keychain. Now we are going to print the Facebook avatar. We use the Silhouette Studio software for this. You can always use your own print program. Make sure you don't change the size of the picture. Bring in the image and duplicate the image. Then flip one image horizontal. This is necessary for the double-sided keychain. We are going to sublimate the images onto the cut acrylic keychain on both sides of the acrylic keychain. The print is ready. Cut around both image. Then, lay one print on one side of the cut acrylic. Tape the print with heat-resistant tape. Use butcher paper under the acrylic and above. Place the acrylic under the heat press, with the sublimation paper upwards. Set the heat press on 170 degrees Celsius and 120 seconds. When heat press is ready, lay the hot acrylic on a flat underground with something heavy on it. Cool down the acrylic and peel of the paper. Then place the second sublimation paper on the other side of the acrylic and put it on the heat press for 120 seconds. Then place the heat acrylic under something heavy to cool down. Peel off the paper and rinse in warm water to let go of the stuck paper. Your sublimation is ready. Now you can glue the name onto the acrylic. Then make the keychain ready with the ring and the tassels.